Let's write our first LaTeX document. First, we define the type of document that we want to produce using command /document class. Inside the curly braces, we add word article. It means that our document is of type article, and LaTeX will format the document using the article template. To display the following 10 reserved characters, we need to escape them using \character or use macros. LaTeX set aside the following characters for special purposes. For example, the %sign is for comments. They are called reserved character or special characters. To display a tilde, caret and \, we cannot escape them using a \/ symbol. We need to use macros. For example, to display a tilde, we write /tag ASCII tilde followed by curly braces. We can also replace the curly braces with \. LaTeX treats spaces and tags as one space. To add a line break, we add two \/ characters at the end of the line where we want the line break to occur. To add a new paragraph, we add one or more blank lines. Make a text to become bold, we enclose the text inside text df command. We can also underline text using underline command. And we can also combine two commands or more together, such as italic and bold. We can use percent character to comment or temporarily disable one or more lines. LaTeX will ignore everything after the percent character on the same line. Let's generate some demo text. We use package MWE, minimal working example. By using command /blind text, we generate lorem ipsum. If we comment out use package MWE, we will get error. Because command blind text is defined inside package MWE. There are two types of lists, unordered list and ordered list. To create an unordered list, we need to declare the itemized environment. Each entry must be preceded by the control sequence /item. We can also have a nested unordered list inside an unordered list by creating a new list environment after the item command. To create an ordered list, we need to use the enumerate environment. Like the unordered list, each entry must be preceded by the control sequence /item. We can also have a nested ordered list inside an ordered list by creating a new list environment after /item command. In order to add images, we need to load GraphicX package using command /use package GraphicX. Suppose that we put all our images in a folder named Images. We define the location of the images using command graphicpath and add the folder name Images. Don't forget to put it inside curly braces. The command to add image is include graphics and the file name. You don't have to put the extension PNG or JPG. Let's say we want to adjust the size of the image. We add extra parameter width equal to 0.45/text width. It means the image size is 45% of the text width from left to right. We can use hfill command to give some horizontal space between two images. To add figure, we use figure environment. To add caption, we use caption command. If we want the caption after the image, we add it after include graphics command. If you want the caption before the image, you add before the include graphics command. The centering command will center the image. We can refer to a figure by referencing its label using command /ref and the label name. We define the label just before we close the figure environment by using command label. Let's say the name is pic:uitm. So /ref pic:uitm will refer to that figure, and the numbering is automatically added for you. Use parameter h to place the float here. That is approximately at the same point it occurs in the source tag. To display a figure with multiple figures side by side, first we load the subfig package. Then we use subfloat command to add each figure. We can also add label for each subfigure. We add the caption for each subfigure inside a square bracket after subfloat command. One of the ways to create a table is by using tabular environment. It is the default LaTeX method to create a table. When we declare the parameters as TTC, we tell LaTeX that we want to create a table with 3 columns with centered alignment elements. We can also use R to align the text to the right and L for left alignment. We separate each column with ampersand symbol, and at the end of the last column, we add 2 backslash to tell LaTeX that it is the end of the row. To add a vertical line between columns, add a pipe or vertical bar character in the parameter section. To add horizontal lines, add hline command after a specific row. If we use package book tabs, we can replace the first hline with top row and the last hline with bottom row, and we will get a border top and bottom line. To create a multi-column cell, use multi-column command. Multi-column, number of columns to merge, alignments, center left or right, and then the content of the cell. Now we want to refer to this table. First, add it into the table environment /begin table /end table. Center the table using centering command. Add the caption before the tabula because we want the caption at the top. Don't forget to add label before /end table. For example, we use TBL : A and B. Refer to the table, we write table /ref TBL : A and B, the name of the table. Finally, we add parameter h so that the table will be placed like in the source tag. To display a table with multiple tables side by side, first we add use package subfig in the preamble. Then we use subfloat for each table. Separate each subfloat table with command hfill. Add the caption inside the square bracket. Add the label for each subfloat. Replace hfill with qquote if we want the table to be close together. Don't forget to add the main caption just after centering command. We can refer to a table by referencing its label. preamble of a document is where we define the type of the documents, the packages that we would like to use, and several other elements. The location is before the line /begin document. In /document class, we have PT A4 paper article. Article is the type of document, the article. We can also use report, book, or even letter, and many more. Everything inside the square brackets are called the parameters. Here we set the document to use 12 points font and A4 paper. The default font size is 10 point. Other font size are 9 point and 11 point. We can load packages using /usePackage command. This command usePackage UTF-8 input ENC usePackage T1 font ENC declare the encoding of the document. Without these two packages, we cannot display essence correctly. The next part is the title, author, and date. Title command declare the title. On the next line, we have the author command that declare the author. We can also add the affiliation for the author using command thanks. Finally, /date declare the date. We can enter the date manually or use the command /today. Inside the curly braces of command /date to update the date automatically at compile time. In order for us to display the title, author, and date, we need to add command /make title just after command /begin document. We add sections and chapters to keep the content of the document organized. Command section marks the beginning of a new section. Inside the braces, we add the title. We will get an automatic section numbering, and we can also disable it using an asterisk. To add a subsection, we use command subsection followed by the title, just like section. Besides section and subsection, we also have command subsection, the third level. For document of type report, we can use command chapter to begin a new chapter. For document of type books, we can use command part to begin a new part. Let's add use package MWE minimal working example in the preamble so that we can use dummy text. Now we can use command blind text to generate some dummy text. Please note blind text with small b and capital B. Capital B will generate more text. Now that our document has some dummy text, it's time to create the table of content. To create the table of contents, after begin document, we add command table of contents. If we have make title command, make sure that our table of content is located after make title command. Now let's add some dummy figure. We already defined MWE package, so we can use inside the figure environment slash include graphics, the width, let's say 45% text width, and since we have MWE package, we can load dummy image. Add the caption, let's say example image A, because this is image of letter A, and then we also add the label img :A. Let's add another image. For example, now we use image of letter B in a new subsection. To add list of figures after table of content, we use command list of figures. Let's add some dummy table. To add list of tables, we use command list of tables after command list of figures and table of contents. To add a citation, we need to have a bit.text file. We can generate the bit.text file from Google Scholar. First, open the Google Scholar settings and under Bibliography Manager, choose Show Links to import citation into bit.text. Click Save. Let's search for an article in Google Scholar. Let's say we want the first entry. So click on Import bit.text. Now you select all and copy. Create a new file called myref.bib and paste the one that you have copied just now into this file. So this is our first reference. Follow the same procedure and add another reference. To add citation, first we need to add the package LaTeX. Don't forget to define our file, which is APA. Next, define the text file, which is myref.bib in this case. To add the citation, we use command cite. Inside the curly braces, we add the name of the text entry. Another important command for citation is cite. Cite is for narrative citation without the parenthesis. To add multiple citation, we separate the item name by using a comma. The same goes for cite command. We use comma to separate the item name. To add list of references, just before slash and document, we add command /print bibliography. If we want to change the title from the original one, we add parameter title equal to the title name that you want inside the square bracket.